Hello all, hi friends, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are. Namaste and Swadika from Bangkok, Thailand. Friends, today I'll show you by unboxing one of the helmet I just bought to drive motorcycle, of course. So let me show you the helmet. So here it is, front of you. So this is a real make helmet. I'm not promoting any brand here. I'm just showing you the helmet. So I bought this real helmet, which is a Storm Rapid as a model. So this is a helmet from Thailand, and then it is all under the safety norms by the government or decided by the industrial authority under the standard of TIS 3692014, and for the helmets it is approved under TIS 3692557. So let me unbox. Here you go, friends. Wow, what a lovely cover. But before that, I think I should see what's this. This is a book. And showing you something like this. The pictorial views and some ideas, some notes, and also it looks like here it is a certificate like the standards of industrial standard motorcycle institute here in Thailand. Here it is. So, and it, oh wow, it has given some stickers as well. REAL, real. Okay, let's look at the main boy. Wow, this is what it is. Let me take that out. Front of you. Wow, black and white. This is the front portion, front view. Here it is a side view. You can see here, and here it is the back side views of the helmet, real. And this is another side view of the helmet. Now let me go into little more detail. If you can see here the shape, it is very good aerodynamically made with the spoiler here. This is a spoiler. You must have seen the spoiler at the back side of the racing cars or the cars of yours. So spoiler helps always to push it down, and also easy flow of the wind force, and this will also help to the pillion, by getting natural air condition. Amazing. So let's check it out. So here is the first front visor. I open it from here. This is a point to open. So I open it, the visor. First of all, looks like this. What is this inside? Let me check what is that. So what is this? Wow, something comes in, comes out, goes in, and this is what it is here. So if you take this forward and reverse, and then you will have the glass, UV glass again in front of you, in front of the eyes of the rider, and goes back. Here if you see the chin protection for the chin, upside chin always. So this is a chin protection, very nicely made from the inside. Good cushioning, very strong. Looks like something different. The strap, you can see here, friends, the strap. I just pull it up, it comes out, and then I put it down, and then I again push it in as per the lock. It will give you the sound of click click, and then pull, and you are on it. So this is what it is about. Something more here. So this is a visor, and again you can see here you can put a clamp for the action cameras, and then if I pull it down, and then the airflow vents are there for the riders to enjoy the fresh air on the mountains or mountain rides or so on from the countryside inside. So I put it up, down, this is what is very interesting. And then again here, something here is, you can see this side and also this side. So if you see here, and something I can see here, the red color button. What is that? Let me figure it out. And then if I push the red color button here, and then you can see the entire front portion goes up. Amazing. And then here you go, the inside skeleton of the helmet. Here also there are the vents, and again the visor here, it comes from here. I have shown you the visor. It will come down and it will go up like here, like this. Okay, this is amazing. Let me show you it coming down, going up like this, like this. So you can wear it like this and then enjoy the air, but beware, you have to remove the screen guard to enjoy the vision, otherwise you cannot see the vision. And this is what is very interesting here. And now I will put it down. Yeah, I take this up first and then I take it down, and this is done. This is amazing. Here also you can see the air vents. Here also you can see the air vents. Of course, on the top also you can mount the action camera with the sticker or with the glue, something like that. But here you can see these two clips. These are also helping for the air to go in and make you further comfortable of your head for the longer rides, for to avoid the sweating and so on. Very lovely, very nicely finished, good design. It's a real rapid Storm. So Storm Rapid is the basically a model here, real Storm Rapid. Very nice. I can tell you one thing, it is a again QC pass sticker here, and then it is very nice and thick cushioning here. So if I show you again inside, let me pull this up, friends. So you can see here the air vents, the strips here for the lock, and then here also you can see here the strap here, the net inside, another net inside to allow the air goes inside, making you further comfortable, making your head further comfortable. And then again here is a chin guard. So I can figure it out that if you have your action camera here, then you can put the cable inside and put the mic inside, and then you have the mic inside, and then you can do a very good videography or recording or vlogging, and then you can avoid the wind sound, the air sound also. That's very important. And here it goes back and lock, and then unlock, and then lock. So this is the first visor, and then here you have the guard. This is UV protected lens, once again I'm saying. And then here also there is a net, which is very cool, looks like very cool, a very strong helmet. I don't want right now to put something as hammer on this, but I'm sure it is under the standard of the industrial product safety, so I need not to worry. I'm very much happy, and I'm you know, it's very good to see the shape of the spoiler, which is very cool. The dots here with the white color print, that's amazing. I can tell you, is very smooth. You know one thing, when you have a smooth surface over here, it is always good for the wind to pass and slide. So very less friction on this surface. Also you can see, if we can show here on the spoiler, you can see here this surface is very smooth. So there is a very less friction for the air to go, air to pass at the speed, because when you are at the speed, a simple obstacle or a matte finish even will go a braking on your speed, and then it will generate and it will give sound while driving. So it will not give a sound while driving, so soundproof always. So this is very cool. Again, here also there is a vent for the air both the side, which is very cool, amazing. You can once again see. Now I want to show you something here. You can see here the size: XS, S, M, L, XL, XXL. I have chosen M for me. And then if you want to know, Rahul, how you have chosen the size M, so let me know. You can comment on the video, and then I will show you how to measure the size of your head circumference, and then how to decide and arrive the size of your head and size of the helmet, which is very important when it is particularly for the longer rides and you have the helmet on your head for many hours on the motorcycle. So friends, this is what I wanted to show you. And then you must be wondering that, Rahul, how come you got the helmet? You are always on the mountain or on the machines. So it's a surprise for you guys. I will definitely tell you, will reveal why helmet. So there are three things, like I love this mountaineering, metal cutting, and also motorcycling. So this is important. And here you can see the scan code as well, where you have the model Storm it's been written here. So real Storm Rapid. This is very important. I can tell you one more thing here. Here also it is a projected shape, which is very shiny, very smooth here, in order to have to reduce the obstacles of the air, which is very good. Amazing. So friends, now you will have one question. Now you will have the question that what is the price of this helmet, Rahul? So yeah, I can tell that I have bought it from the marketplace here in Bangkok. The price for this helmet is almost 2,800 Thai baht. So my riding friends there out in India, they can calculate by 2.5 times and then find in Indian rupee, and similarly in US dollar as well. But then I got a great deal here. So I got this helmet surprisingly at 1,900 Thai baht. So if you see here, such a good quality helmet, maintaining all the standards for the industrial safety equipments and safety helmet for the driving, it is worth buying under 1,900 Thai baht. So lovely. If you have any questions, please write to me in the comment section. Give your like also, and if you like this particular small helmet vlog from Rahul, please subscribe, like, and share as well, and ask me about how you decide the size for the helmet, so I can make a separate video on how to find out the size of the helmet according to your head. And also you will find more videos going ahead, because I bought some more items as well for the motorcycling, which I think I should have when I'm on the road on the motorcycle. So I will show you in that those things in the next videos. Good. Thank you so very much. Bye bye. Jai Ho.